Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a PDF on your laptop. I'll explain it in a very simple way. So let's get started. First things first. Open your web browser. I'm using Chrome. In the address bar, type tools.forge.org and press enter. Once the PDF Forge website is open, tap on Images to PDF. Then tap on Select Files. This will open your File Explorer. Choose the file you want to convert to a PDF and double-click it. Once the file is open, you'll see some settings. Tap on Orientation and select Portrait. Then you can select the paper size. I usually choose A4. Once you've adjusted all the settings to your preference, tap on Convert. Wait a few seconds for the conversion to complete. After the conversion is done, tap on Download. Your PDF file will be downloaded to your laptop. Open the downloaded file to check it out. And there you have it. You've successfully created a PDF on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.